Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the app for repair so it won't reintroduce errors. First, close Photoshop and save work. If it hangs, force quit to clear memory locks. Once done, confirm your Photoshop version and free disk space. You need some headroom, typically at least 5% of the drive. Next, back up your preferences by moving the Plist or Preferences folder to a safe location. This preserves custom settings while letting you test a clean launch. Now you'll target the core components that commonly cause program errors. Start by resetting preferences during launch. Hold Shift-Control-Alt on Windows or Shift-Command-Option on Mac to eliminate corrupt settings. After that, use the Creative Cloud Desktop app to repair or reinstall Photoshop components so missing or damaged files are restored. Also delete cache and temporary files and temporarily remove third-party. Finish by verifying stability and addressing deeper system conflicts. Launch Photoshop in safe mode or a new user account to confirm whether the issue is user profile specific. Make sure your GPU drivers and operating system are up to date. If Photoshop still errors, toggle Use Graphics Processor in Preferences because GPU conflicts often cause crashes. If problems persist, collect and review crash logs, then send them to Adobe support. They can parse logs and advise specific file repairs or advanced workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.